Hello everyone, welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is Tropical Forests Forever Facility. This topic relates to environment section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. Let's see why this is in news. India has recently joined the Brazil-led Tropical Forests Forever Facility as an observer. The announcement came during the Leaders Summit of COP30 in Belém, Brazil. India reaffirmed its commitment to the Paris Agreement and emphasized the need for developed nations to cut emissions faster and fulfill climate finance promises. Now, let's discuss about Tropical Forests Forever Facility. The Tropical Forests Forever Facility was launched on 6 November 2025 by Brazil. Its main objective is to reward tropical countries for protecting and expanding forests through a performance-based payment system. It offers long-term, results-based financing instead of short-term grants, directing 20% of funds to indigenous people and local communities. To be eligible, countries must have an annual deforestation rate below 0.5%, maintain transparent monitoring systems, and ensure fair distribution of resources. High-income nations and areas dominated by monoculture forests are not eligible to participate. Now let's discuss the advantages of TFFF. It promotes long-term sustainability, focusing on continuous forest protection instead of short-term carbon credit schemes. Its inclusive approach acknowledges and empowers indigenous and local communities as key stakeholders in forest management. TFFF serves a complementary role alongside existing climate finance mechanisms, fostering global cooperation for both adaptation and mitigation efforts. As an observer, India enhances its South-South cooperation and strengthens its position in climate diplomacy, reaffirming its commitment to equitable climate responsibility. Now, it's time to do a practice question. In which country is COP30 being held? A. Brazil, B. United Arab Emirates, C. India, or D. Egypt? Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.